What's up guys, this is Wakas from Digital Feeds and today I'm going to unbox this lavalier mic. This one comes from a company called Boya. This one has a model BY-M1, you can see, and has a nice and simple packaging. It is your usual branding on the front and some general specifications on the back. So this one works with your smartphones, your DSLR cameras and your camcorders as well. This lapel mic has pretty nice packaging. You can see that it's nice and simple. Let's unbox it and see what's inside. Nice packaging. You can see the Boya has included a nice and simple bag as well, so you can easily carry your mics and you can throw it into your suitcase or whatever, and you can easily use it. It's very portable. So inside the box there is this LR44 battery. So this which you will have to put into the microphone if you want to use it with a camera. They have also included this nice and very good quality clip. It's a metal clip, and so you can easily clip into your collar on your shirt. A nice and simple quick start guide. They have also included this nice foam for it can be used for any background cancellation of any background noise. So very good. Overall it's a really good package. This mic comes with a headphone jack. This is a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, and this particular one is a TRRS. The other one is the TRS, which only allows you to connect it with the cameras only, but this one you can connect with your smartphone as well. That's why this says, you can see there are 4 different pins, and the mic also has this small module here, you can see, and this basically you can switch it between camera and smartphone modes easily. This switch allows you to turn between camera and smartphone mode, and this is very long cable. You can see Boya has also included this velcro strap for easy cable management, and this one is around, I think, 6 feet cable, which means Boya gave you a lot of flexibility, so you can easily move around. You don't have to worry about how far you're from the camera and all. So let's talk about some of the coolest things about this mic, and the first one of course is its performance, which gives you a lot of improvement over the internal mic of your camera and smartphone. And considering the fact it's only 15 bucks on Amazon, it's really good value for your money. Another cool feature is that this mic has really long cable, which gives you a lot of flexibility, and I think 6 feet is more than enough if you want to stand really far from the camera without losing any quality of your voice when you're recording something for, let's say, on YouTube or whatever project you have. And they have also included this really cool bag, so you can put your mic inside it and use it on the go if you want to do that. So overall it has some really good features. So let's do a before and after and see whether this mic does provide any improvement over the internal mic of the camera. So my voice now is coming from the internal mic of the camera, and you can see it's pretty simple and generic, nothing spectacular. But now let's switch to the Boya BYM1 and see, do we get any improvement or not. Okay, now I've switched to the external mic, and you may have already noticed a ton of improvement in my voice clarity. There's almost no background noise, and the mic is doing pretty good job in capturing my voice quality. So I would say this is really good. It's definitely better than the internal mic of the camera. Thanks for watching my video, and please do subscribe if you don't want to miss any of my future content.